Hi everyone, my name is Bambi Hesher and I'm the Program Manager for Power Utilities for DataSplice Mobile Computing. This is the first video in the series Mobileforinventory. In this demonstration, I'm going to create a desktop requisition for material when materials are on hand and available. I've already logged in and I'm at my home screen, so I'm going to click Desktop Requisitions, New Requisition, and then I'm going to enter my required information. I'm going to enter my phone number and then my required date. I'm going to select a work order from the list, and this work order is where all of the materials on this requisition will be charged. And as you notice, when I entered the work order, the asset and location information also came with it. Now I'm going to create my new line item. And I'm only going to create one for demonstration purposes. I'm going to select the central storeroom, and I am going to select my item, enter my quantity, and then enter my order unit. Click OK, upload my modifications, and that's how you create a desktop requisition using DataSplice. If you aren't yet using DataSplice for your inventory, contact me today to find out how. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out the rest of the videos in the series. Just search #MobileforInventory.